Somebody is there. Hi guys, welcome to my channel Susa Travel Food. Today I'm gonna bake in really delicious cookies. Hi guys, I'm here again. I'm going to make cookies for Halloween, and I'm gonna start with 1/3 cup of margarine or butter and shortening. I'm gonna put in my bowl because I'm going to mix. And I'm gonna put in my bowl right now. Okay. Butter. I think this is a third. Now I want to mix. One-third cup of butter with 1/3 cup shortening. Now I'm going to use 1 egg. This is regular sugar. I'm going to use 3 cups 1/4. This is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. 1 tablespoon of milk. This is baking powder, and just I'm going to use 1 teaspoon. Then I'm going to put teaspoon of vanilla. I'm going to use little piece of salt. I'm going to wait for a couple minutes because I want all my ingredients gonna mix. I'm going to add 1 cup of flour, and a little more later I'm going to put another one, but I'm gonna start with 1 now. I was waiting for 5 minutes. Now all my ingredients, they are mixed really well. Now I'm going to put another cup of flour. I need to use 2 cups of flour. Bam, bam, bam. Now I'm going to put a little more speed because I wanted all my ingredients mixed really well. I'm going to put number 2. Now all my ingredients it's mixed really well. I'm going to turn off. I'm going to separate all my meats of the beater. This is my meat. I'm going to start making my cookies. Now I have a rolling pin, and I'm going to roll them because I'm going to make like big tortilla because I'm going to use cooking cutter. Now I'm going to make 2 balls, but before I'm going to cook in 2 parts. This one, and I'm gonna put a little flour to my rolling pin. I'm going to use my cooking cutters. I have my bed, I have a cat, I have my ghost, and I have my castle. Right now my cookie sheet is full, but and I have a little bowl and I can make more, but for right now just I'm going to make That's one. Right now my oven is ready. Now it's 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake for 7 minutes. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Now I'm going to wait for 7 minutes. I can't wait to try my delicious Halloween cookies. I leave in 1 minute more in the oven, but right now it's ready. I'm going to take right now my cookies. My goodness, so pretty. Oh my god, look at that, so beautiful. My cookies, they are ready, and just I'm going to wait a little bit to cool, and I'm going to start to try. Happy Halloween! Halloween's cookies! Now I'm going to sprinkle with powdered sugar. Look at my cookie, guys. Now I'm going to try with milk. Mi lechita y a dormir. And I'm going to get a bag. Look at that. A cat. Oh my god, was really good, my cookies. So crunchy, really good flavor. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. I enjoyed really good this recipe. I love the cookies, and this cookie was really delicious. Don't forget, follow me and YouTube, Instagram, at Facebook, and TikTok. Please, appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you soon.